We're outside Google's booth at CES 2023, where the search giant is showing off all the ways that its devices are connected to help you lead a more seamless life. So let's go in and take a look. So Google's looking to make it easier to have your music follow with you wherever you happen to go in the house. So if you have, for example, a bunch of connected speakers like this, you can tell Google to move the music from one room to another as you're going along. Move it to the bedroom. It'll say,
move my music to the bedroom.
It'll, like, if it senses that you're in one area, it'll say like, hey, do you want to play your music here?
You have your smart speaker designated, right?
So here's another example of how Google is looking to automate the smart home experience. If you want to, say, watch a movie or something like that, you can have it automatically dim the lights, turn on your stereo, and do a bunch of other things automatically. So it's going to eventually make for a more seamless smart home experience. I don't know if I want to watch that Batman, but...
Downstairs, it's showtime.
So one of the killer features of iOS devices and iPhones has been AirDrop, where you can easily share files to other iOS devices. Google has its own version of that now called Nearby Share. So you can share with one device or you can share with multiple devices. So it's a great way to be able to share files really quickly. Rolling out today is the new and revamped Android Auto interface, which prioritizes maps and navigation and makes things less distracting for drivers so they can see what they want and when they need it. This is rolling out to everyone who has Android Auto, and it's another example of how Google is looking to integrate all of its features and services wherever you go, be it your house, your car, or anywhere in between. All of Google's devices are pretty impressive. I really like the new Android Auto interface. At the same time, the stuff in the house is great too. I'm always looking to automate things so I don't have to say, hey Google, turn on the lights, or hey Google, lock the doors. Having something that can do it automatically for me and knows when I'm getting into the house or leaving it is even better. For Tom's Guide, this is Mike Prospero at CES 2023.